hear you be the block, but I'm the like to keep the streets on. Know this true, the type that like to keep them on the leash, though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, believe me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So, happy Tuesday. I was debating on going to get some birria tacos because my favorite birria taco place has Taco Tuesday and you can get 3 birria tacos for $10. But I'm not going to do it because I have this Bubba's 33 that me and the kids went and got last night. And I have leftovers, so I'm going to eat that. Right now, I'm about to get my juicer ready. I haven't juiced in a really long time. And I was like craving some juice. And buying it in the store is very expensive. So I'm just going to make my own at home. I have my mason jars over here. Right here all lined up. And then I have my juicer ready to go. I just need to cut up the fruits and vegetables. So I know I had a juice recipe saved on Pinterest and I screenshot it. I'm about to show y'all. So this is the Detox. We have Burn Fat and Glow. And then it has like what to put in each juice. And as you can see, they're different colors, which I like. So I did get beets, carrots, celery, apple, and ginger. So I think I got everything for that one. Again, carrots, orange, pineapple, ginger. The only thing I didn't get was turmeric. And then we have kale, celery, apples, lemon, ginger. Did I get lemons? I hope I did. So kind of the same ingredients for each of them, a little bit different. So I did get everything that I need to get yesterday. And so yeah, I'm going to make some juices today. Let me go ahead and get everything cut up because that is going to take the longest. But I hope you guys are doing great. And yeah, let me go ahead and get started because, from here I got Philly cheesesteak and fries and it was so good, but I could only eat half my sandwich. So once I'm done juicing, I'm going to heat that up, eat it, and that's going to be my lunch for the day. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am spending a day. I'm getting my car serviced, so I'm out like shopping right now. And I am in Marshall's right now, and I need to start shopping for vacation. So I found these sandals. They are so cute. The only thing is they're 7.5 and I wear 8. Couldn't find this in an 8. So I'm gonna try out the 7.5 and hope that it fits. These would be cute for like some jeans or some going out shoes. Super cute. Sandals were a tad bit too small, so I couldn't get them. But the black ones were super cute, but I don't need those, so I'm not gonna get it. All right, I found a pair. It says a size 9, but they fit me like a glove. So I'm definitely getting these. And I have skinny feet and they fit me the width of my feet perfectly. And it's only $12.99. Okay, they don't have a lot in the big boy section, but I did find this one. I think I might just do this one for $12.99 and then this Champion one for $12.99. Then they're a size large for Brock. I think I'm gonna do these two. So Marshall's and Home Goods is connected, but oh my gosh, look at this. That is so cute. All right, next stop is Ross. Find something for Brock in here. Okay, that got me 3 t-shirts. All right, I've made it to the mall. I bought myself some perfume, some stuff from Bath & Body, and then I got the kids a bunch of clothes for vacation, so they are all done. I'm about to eat. I got, what is this place called? Asian Chow. Here's what I got. I didn't know that I could do rice and noodles, and I should have did that. But I got the black pepper chicken. Looks so good. Okay, I'm back home. And my Scentbird package came in, which is a little delayed because this is February. But it's okay. And I also got a package. What's that, a package? I also ordered some perfume. I actually ordered a lot of perfume today and wasn't expecting my Scentbird to come in. So I'm super excited about that. But I do want to show you guys what I got me and the kids for our vacation. So where's the first place I was shopping at? Home Goods and Ross. Let's do Home Goods. Well, Marshall's. So in Marshall's, I got Brock this Champion outfit. I got this in a size large, I believe. So this is a 12. Really nice. I didn't get the Nike one because the shorts on it were really big, so I didn't get that. And then I got baby Drew these cute yoga pants. They are a size 12. Her and Brock basically were the same size because they're almost the same size. Brock is like a tad bit taller, but they're both very tall and slinky, so I always have to go up on a size for them just so it can be long enough. So these look pretty long, but baby Drew has long legs. But I think these are so cute. These yoga pants, a set of 2 were only $12.99. So that was a really good deal. And I think this was $12.99 as well. Yeah, Brock's outfit. Then I saw this 2-piece. I love this. So I told myself that I wanted to not do the, because normally when we go on vacation, I do like shorts with like a graphic tee. So decided to do like little cute outfits for them. But the top is so cute. The pants, they're flared at the bottom. And this is also a size 12. And this outfit was $16.99. And then I got myself these Tommy Hilfiger sandals, which fit me like a glove. They are so comfortable. Like I said, I have skinny feet, so it's always hard to find shoes with the right width that aren't too wide on my feet. These were perfect. And I like the color and the design on them, so they'll kind of go with like everything. Then at Ross, I found nothing for the kids in Ross, but I did find things for myself, which was good. So I got like a bunch of graphic tees. This is Ice Cube graphic tee. I think I got this in a medium because it's oversized. Yes, and this was $10.99. I got this Aaliyah one. My favorite color is purple, so this was perfect. This Aaliyah, I got this in a large because I wanted this to be a little more oversized. I was kind of going back and forth between the medium and the large, but I just went ahead and got the large. And then I think I got this one in a medium as well, yeah. And this is Selena. Then this is the back of the Selena, and it has her concert dates, her tour dates. And this one is also $9.99. So that's what I got myself. I just need to find some shorts. Like I have one pair of shorts that I can wear. I need a couple pair of shorts, and I wanted to look for another pair of pants to wear just in case it's not like super warm or hot. I can be comfortable in something. Then at Old Navy, I was just shopping for the kids and came across this outfit right here for Brock. So this shirt is so nice with these shorts. Got this as like an outfit, and all of this was like 20% off. So the pants, the shorts were $16.99 and the shirt is $22.99. Y'all know I love Old Navy's graphic tees. So but the kids have like 100 graphic tees from that we've just collected over the years. So if we're gonna pack any graphic tees, they're just gonna wear what they already have. And plus some of the stuff they can wear when they go to church with their grandmother. So, and I got this shirt, got this one to go with these pants, like I said, just in case the weather is on the cooler side, because seems like it's trying to warm up everywhere, but not really. And the weather in Myrtle Beach isn't too far from the weather here in Indy, so if it's cold here, it's usually cold there. Then I got Brock this messy t-shirt because he loves messy. And this was $16.99, but I think 20% off. Then I got Baby Drew this romper, well, this jumpsuit. The pants, like ties in the front, super cute. I got her a size 14, 16 because she's kind of tall. And this looks like it'll fit her pretty well. And this was $30, but it was 20% off. Couldn't pass this up. This was too cute. Now, for the fragrances, I was in Sephora spraying along, and the Kayali, I keep seeing ads for this, and I was like, I have to have this one. It says bougie marshmallow. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It's a cute little spray bottle. This is so freaking cute. I love this. Oh, yes, I love it so much. This one, oh my gosh, I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. Then I went to Bath and Body Works and I needed a new vanilla scent because I have a vanilla perfume, but I got from Five Below. Not that big of a fan. Like, I'll use it here and there, but I just think Bath and Body Works has the best vanilla body spray. And I also went to Perfumania. And they had a buy one get one half off. So I got, this one is like a mango jasmine scent. It's so nice. I told her I was looking for fruity and floral. This is the perfect combination, y'all. I was obsessed with it and I was like, I have to have this one. And look at the packaging. Look at the bottle. The bottle is so cute. This one is so good. When she sprayed this, I was like, yeah, definitely have to have that. Very heavy too. And I got this one as well. She was showing me a different one, but I was like, I don't know, let me smell that other one over there. I think this one is more of like a fruity floral as well. The bottle caught my eye. Look how beautiful that bottle is. So cute. This one is so good. Oh my gosh. This one is gonna turn some heads. Now on to Scentbird. I forgot what they sent me. Right, they sent me the Burberry. I think this was a limited edition one. So what I tried to do was get all the limited edition ones like that I could first before they didn't have them anymore. So this is the Burberry Brit Sheer. This is the one that I got. Okay, I'm about to say, I already have like a bunch of perfume on me. Very floral. It's not sweet at all. It just smells like I'm walking through flowers. I really like that. This would be cute paired with something else though. All right, I'm gonna put all this stuff away. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we love it over here. And I'll see you all in the next one.
But I'm the like to keep the streets on. No, this true, the type that like to keep them on the leash though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing.